All right, well, let's talk about some formula auditing. Sometimes we have formulas that are a little challenging for us, and so we want to figure out why we're not getting the result that we thought we were going to get. So right here, I've got some numbers in A and B, and then I've got two calculations going on. So let's take a look at this first one. So I've got if the average of A2 through A5 is greater than 50, then I want to sum A2 and A5. If it's not greater than 50, let's just report 0. So you can see here it's got a 10. And then similarly, I got this other formula, which is the exact same formula, but I made one change. If the average of A2 through A50 is less than 50, then sum B2 through B5. Otherwise, it's 0. And you can see the result here is 0. So I don't want to do all the math, so let's go over to formulas and do evaluate formula. It brings up this little wizard for us. And what it's going to do is it's going to do the first calculation, which is underlined, and it's going to do average A2 through A5. So let's hit evaluate to step through this. So first it calculates that out and says, okay, that's 250. So then the next thing it's going to do, it's going to evaluate, is 250 greater than 50? It is. So now that's true. So the next step it's going to do is going to sum B2 through B5. And that becomes 10. Now it's going to do the last step. If true, 10. And if it's not true, but it is, it'll be 0. So in this case, it's going to be 10. All right, let's check out this one and do the same thing. So again, we're going to do the average, which is 250. Is 250 less than 50? Nope. So now it jumps to do the whole evaluation. It's going to skip over sum. So if false, it should do 0, which it does. And that's how you use evaluate formula. So anytime you've got formulas that are not giving you exactly what you're looking for, you can do that. And some other helpful tips is what you can do is you can, holding the Control-Alt key, you can break this up so that using the Alt key, so that you can maybe read your formula a little bit better as well.